Welcome back to DXB Today. We are just about to wrap up tonight's show, but don't forget, if you have missed anything, including tonight's episode, you can, of course, catch all of the episodes and anything behind the scenes on our YouTube channel.
But if Instagram is more for you, don't worry, we are on there too. Just follow this link right here. And if you're going to post anything about the city, make sure you use the hashtag DXB Today. And we are live every weeknight, both on your TV and online, Dubai1.ae at 8:30 p.m.
Yep, open invite to join us at that time tomorrow, same time, same place. For yet more inspiring stories of community coming together right here in Dubai and around the UAE as a whole. But now it is time to hand the stage to tonight's musician. As we say farewell, we hand over to the violinist to play us out. Please welcome Gracek Vanessian.